glycolysis. Organic compounds are converted into three carbon molecules of pyruvic acid, producing a small amount of ATP and NADH. Glycolysis is an anaerobic process because it does not require the presence of oxygen.
No.
Stop! Anaerobic. Stop it! God, stop! Stop! Down! Down! God, that's on my phone.
Continue.
Okay, aerobic respiration. If oxygen is present in the cell's environment, pyruvic acid is broken down and NADH is used to make a large amount of ATP through the process known as aerobic respiration. Pyruvic acid can enter other pathways if there is no oxygen present in the cell's environment. The combination of glycolysis and these anaerobic pathways is called fermentation. It's Hey, Miller. So, I have a question for you. It's for biology, so I'm not interrupting. What happens during glycolysis?
Glycolysis, once upon a time, glycolysis, that's the story, yeah.
Story?
This girl named
I can't see them.
Sophie and her boyfriend, Jordan. They went to this one dance, right? And then after the dance, actually it was during the dance, Sophie was thirsty, and then Jordan, he went over and bought her a pop, and then after that, well, Jordan first, he took a sip of the pop, and then he gave it to Sophie, and Sophie drank some, and so they shared some glycolysis together. Now on, Sophie has glycolysis from Jordan.
Okay.
Is that a good story for you?
I'm not gonna lie, I'd rather have him as a biology teacher than illustrator. I'm not gonna lie, he lied to me in this. In the Calvin cycle, organic compounds are formed using CO2 and the chemical energy stored in the ATP and the NADPH.
Some plant cells and unicellular organisms, such as yeast, use a process called alcoholic fermentation to convert pyruvic acid into ethyl alcohol. Whoa, wait! Cause plants on hot and dry conditions to rapidly lose water through small pores.
Include the overall reaction of photosynthesis. Convert light energy from the sun into chemical energy in the form of organic compound, primary, I don't know what the word is, hydraulic.
Carbohydrates?
Carbohydrates. That's the word.
Cellular respiration is the complex process in which cells make ATP by breaking down organic compounds. Recall that autotrophs such as plants use photosynthesis to convert light energy from the sun into chemical energy, which is stored in organic compounds.
Do what you're doing. The light reaction with the absorption of light in chloroplast. Each chloroplast is surrounded by a pair of membranes called thylakoids. Thylakoids are connected and layered to form sex called grona. What happens during glycosis?
It's when the muscles of the body freeze up into an involuntary state and you go rigid, as if you were scared by Jason at Friday the 13th.
Photosynthesis can take place anywhere in the world, but more specifically, it takes place in the chloroplast of the leaf's plant cell. Cellular respiration happens in the cytoplasm, and the aerobic respiration happens in the mitochondria. The electron transport chain linked with
You know what? I hate strange biology.
The electron transport chain linked with chemiomosis constitutes the second stage of aerobic respiration. Recall that the electron transport chain is a series of molecules in a membrane that transfers electrons from one nucleus molecule to another. The Krebs cycle is a biochemical pathway that breaks down acetyl CoA producing CO2, hydrogen atoms, and ATP. The reactions that make up the cycle were identified by Hans Krebs, a German biochemist. The Krebs cycle has 5 main steps.
In the year 2525, if man is still alive, if woman can survive, they may find.